Hello, great evening to you. My name is Taiwo. I want to welcome you to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the 1688 website, because that is how you uh, get products from China directly from manufacturers. So this video is going to be a very short one. So without doing um, too much ceremony, like our Yoruba people will say. Sorry, I'm Yoruba. For anybody listening, my name is Taiwo Adefala. No, Ijebu, for real, confirm. You might not hear it in my voice, but don't worry, it's there. Alright, awesome. You can see what I just did, right? So let me refresh this page again. You see it's in Chinese. You type in 1688.com. It is going to automatically change to the mobile version. Then you click on English. Make sure you are using a Chrome browser. That's a very important one to note. Right, so here you can see you have some options. So there are two parts to this video. There's this video that I'm on right now that I'm going to show you how you get products, how you search for products. And there's another video where I'm going to show you how to get an account on 1688. I'm sure you can't wait for that, right? Awesome. So now let's move along. So now, looking for products. First of all, you need to have a target market for the products you want to import from China. Okay, because people that make the most money in importation are not people that import bags, shoes, all those normal things that you're hearing. Even hair. Let me put it that way. Yes, I said it. Though this is a hair importation class, but I said it. This is just a brief course. All right. So now, what you need to do is specific products that solve a problem. If you can hear what I just said, if you are watching this video on YouTube or anything, make sure, don't forget, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you like my video on YouTube. That way it encourages me, to create more awesome videos for you such as this. All right, so now let's move. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I have some products I already think about. As an importer, the first thing, the thing that you would do every day is not one major thing. The biggest hurdle you have to face is finding the right product to import, because you can import so many products and you will not see buyer to buy, because you didn't do your assignment before you imported those products. Okay, so a little background about me. I've been importing from China and from other countries. Okay, I've been importing directly from China since let's say 2012, 2013. Then I learned about importing from the US, and I think 2015. Malaysia, Vietnam, Turkey. I think I learned that maybe around 2017. No, 2018, 2019. It has been a wonderful journey. That's not the only thing I do. I import basically for myself, and I do procurement for people. So if somebody wants to do something, I just come, like I said, solve a problem. Do you know that a product worth 100 naira? Literally, the product was worth, I think, 150 or so, 150 naira. With landing cost and everything. That product, I sold each product for about, is it 7,000? 7,000. I'm going to show you proof. This is a practical class. That's why you are seeing my browser. Anyways, let me look for. I'm looking for a product for you. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is come down to, like I said, you need a product to. I cannot overemphasize this video. As you can see, let me just use any product now, because none comes to mind. Let's go to women. I know most of the people listening to this video will be women, and I need to be logged in. Sorry, that's just some screen issue, some screen error. Oh, pick a product. The Chinese market will humble you with options, right? So you have to be very selective of the kind of products you pick. Okay. So a few things I want you to know is the number of quantities sold for the product. That's the only way on 1688 you'll be able to verify that this product is actually good. Okay, because this site 1688.com is mainly for Chinese retailers, Chinese wholesalers, because they are manufacturers on this site. So what they do is they are, Alibaba, AliExpress, and 1688, they are all owned by Alibaba. Okay, so now Alibaba, once AliExpress is the retail side of the business, meaning retailers can come there and sell to end users. Alibaba is where they sell to the wholesalers who sell on AliExpress. Then 1688, it is where the Chinese people sell to themselves. That's a retailer has a product and the other retailer needs this product, they sell to themselves. That's why you can see that this site is written completely in Chinese. You can see that there's Chinese everywhere. If it's not I'm using a Chrome browser, I will not be able to view all these things I'm viewing right now. Alright, so you can see all these products I'm seeing here. These products, when you want to calculate it, normally you'll be hearing 4,000, 5,000. Especially, all these home products. Let me just look for one cheap product. Situation now. No. Okay. You know what? Since we are in this section, sometimes scrolling helps. This is not Instagram scrolling, but you will see products. You will be humbled by products. Okay, there are actually too many expense. Okay, I think I know. Okay, so don't mind this dollar sign, right? This dollar sign is supposed to be yuan. It's because I converted the currency. That is why I changed the currency to dollar. All right, so just make note, put it in the back of your mind that this is yuan, and currently 1 yuan is about 80 naira, 80 naira, 81 naira. You can see 79 naira, some. Yeah. Okay, so this is a business that is a full square rounded business that can help you fund your wallet, pay your supplier. Okay, yeah, no, let's just get into it. Let me pick this AirPod, for example, Bluetooth headset, wireless. No. Let me pick this one. Ouch. I wanted to pick the smartwatch because that solves the problem, right? Yeah, we have to be doing what we practice, we have to be practicing what we preach. Okay, you can see that now that I didn't change the language to English, you can see that it's yuan that's here, right? So now let's pick this. Oh, this lunchbox to really sell because this is January and children are going back to school. Okay, you can see this bracelet. This bracelet is a fitness bracelet and it's also waterproof. It reads your body signals and gives you information about how your overall health is. You can see in the last 30 days this supplier has sold 5,958 pieces of this product. So is that a good number or not? Most people don't sell 5,000 pieces of products in a whole year. I'm just kidding. Alright, so it depends on, this is a 14 yuan product. 80 times 20 is, let's say, 1,600 or so. And guess how much you're selling this product on the market? 15,000, 20,000, 25,000. You see in some places 10,000. That's people that are considerate in their pricing. But ideally, you see this product for 10,000, 15,000 on the market, right? So this product this is how you get into the evaluation of product that you want to buy. So the next thing you do, you click on this enter a shop. Now, I forgot to show you the details of the product. Okay, so now this entering the shop means that you want to see the product that this supplier has. Hold on, let it load. This thing is supposed to come up, this icon to change the language is supposed to come up, but it didn't come up. Okay, I did one magic day now, right? I arrived at this page. This page is where you have the information of your supplier. Okay, you can see as I clicked on that middle button, you can see this supplier number came up. So this is how you get the supplier information on 1688. It's very, very simple. You can see this company information, this company about this supplier, 2013-09-29. That was when it got onboarded in 1688. And you can see, I don't know how to read Chinese, but there's some information here, but I don't know why it's not converting to English. But so that's a wrap. That's how you get information about suppliers from any product on 1688. I hope this video has been useful to you, though it has been long, full of ranting, but at the end of the day, we have to rant so that we can pass the message across. I hope this video was useful to you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with your friends and family. I'm going to be dropping some links in the description below for the part 2 of this video, how to register a 1688 account and how to use Alipay. Right, until then, I wish you a wonderful prosperous new year ahead. This information that you get in this class is valuable. Make sure you treat it as such. Use the information. Don't just get the class and keep it. Knowledge is not power until it is being used. You understand? Right. So have a blessed evening, and see you in my next video.